Hey, welcome to my baseball room, where I'll show you what I have on my game table here in just a moment. We're going to start real quick with our Hall of Fame here. There's the Babe, Ups, Shoeless Joe, Ty Cobb, Honus Wagner, Cameron Thomas. Wait, who? Oh, that's my son. And the Babe and Lou Gehrig. Let's swing over here real quick. Let's see what we got. All kinds of cool stuff on the wall here. Here's some cards that are pretty cool, pretty good. Yeah, all right. Hey, World Series champion, Texas Rangers. Oh, my son is a national champion. All right, that's pretty cool, huh? All right, let's come over here. Oh, check this out. Look at that long picture right there. The 1922 New York Yankees. And if you zoom in, there's this really big guy right smack dab in the middle. There's the Babe right there. Here's a cool picture of Joe DiMaggio, Ted Williams. Just all kinds of cool baseball stuff on the walls. Jackie Robinson stealing home. All right, let's see what's on the game table here. I got 3 games laid out. 3 games. Left to right, we got Replay Baseball. Great game. Now, some cards here go with the game over there, which is Inside Pitch. We'll come to that in a second. But we got Replay Baseball. Here's the game board. And I'm playing a series between the 1938 Cubs and the 1938 Pittsburgh Pirates. I'm kind of playing the Pirates season there, kind of like the Wayner brothers, Paul and Lloyd. And then when I slide over here, here is my setup for Inside Pitch. Probably my #1 game, but boy, I like both of these other two here. Inside Pitch, I've got the cards on a little rotating deal, so I could just pull them out, put them when they're up to bat, so on and so forth. Here's my rule books and charts and stuff like that. Here's a dice tower here. And then we'll swing over to game number 3 on the table. All of these laid out, ready to play. So I play them left to right. Just finished an Inside Pitch game and getting ready to start a new payoff pitch. Yep, that's right, payoff pitch game. In the 1954 season, I'm playing for the Brooklyn Dodgers, and this is featuring Robin Roberts for the Philadelphia Phillies going against the Dodgers, and Carl Erskine for the Brooklyn Dodgers, and we'll be rolling that one here shortly and scoring it all on right over here, Digital Diamond on my computer right there. I have set right there, Digital Diamond, that I do my scoring on. So there's my game table. And just under that, I've got some other games tucked away down there. Baseball Classics. I've got Stratomatic. I've got Season Ticket. I've got Fall Classic Baseball. What else is in there? Batter Up Baseball. I'm going to say, it seems like I'm forgetting something. And but these are my top 3 right now for sure. Got them laid out, and I just sit down and play, sit down and play, sit down and play. Hope you enjoyed that. And there's my grandson, who's a baseball player too. Yeah, baby.